JEE Mains expected question. New type of question. Okay. What is the question? Consider the integral I equal to 0 to 10 greatest integer x times of e to the power greatest integer x divided by e to the power x minus 1 dx, where greatest integer x denotes the greatest integer, this is the box x, less than or equal to x. Then the value of this integration, four options are there, which will be the correct option. So now how to approach? Let us start. Okay. Now first you write 0 to 10 greatest integer x e to the power greatest integer x. So this e to the minus x plus 1 dx. Is that clear? Okay. Now moving to next part, greatest integer x means part by part. So n less than equal to x less than n plus 1. So greatest integer, concept of greatest integer. Greatest integer means if you put 2.5 in greatest integer box, so you will get 2 because output will be integer value. So positive, negative 2.5, he will get minus 3, greatest integer. So now here, so part by part step function, that is called also. So now 0 to 1, first you start greatest integer x e to the power greatest integer x minus x plus 1 dx, plus 1 to 2 greatest integer x e to the power greatest integer x minus x plus 1 dx. Okay, plus 2 to 3 greatest integer x dot times of e to the power greatest integer x minus x plus 1 dx. Now dot 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 final 0 to 10. So there will be 9 to 10. Okay, 9 to 10 plus 9 to 10 greatest integer x times of e to the power greatest integer x minus x plus 1 dx. Okay, after that what to do? Now put greatest integer, put 0 here. So 0 to 1, that becomes 0 because 0 times of this, so that is 0. 0 into dx plus put 1 here, 1 to 2, 1. 1 into e to the power, put here 1. 1 minus x plus 1. Okay. Now next, put 2 here. 2 to 3, 2 times of e to the power 2 minus x plus 1 dx. So right here dx. So plus dot 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 9 to 10, 9 times. So you must write here 9 because 9 less than equal to x less than 10. Greatest integer concept. N less than equal to x less than n plus 1. दिस इज सीबीएसई ओरिएंटेड. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन सीबीएसई में आ सकता है, मतलब इतना ही डिफिकल्ट नहीं. ग्रेटेस्ट सिंगल ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर दे दिया, 0 to 5 दे दिया, तो कैसे आप फाइंड करेंगे? 9 टाइम्स ऑफ e to the power 9 minus x plus 1 dx. So moving to next, so this becomes 0 here. Now here 1 to 2 e to the power 2 minus x dx. E to the power 2 minus x dx. Here 2 to 3 e to the power 3 minus x dx. Next plus dot 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 9 to 10, 9 to 10, 9 into 9 को बाहर 9 is taken out. So e to the power 10 minus x dx. Finally, now integration. So integration, how to integrate? here e to the power 2 minus x. So e to the power 2 minus x 1 to 2. Here minus will be there because integration of e to the power mx dx. So 1 by m e to the power mx plus c. Okay, in indefinite integration formula. So coefficient of x is minus 1. So here it will be minus 1. So minus 1 is written here. No problem. 1 over minus 1, that is minus 1. You know. Next, 2 minus 1 e to the power 3 minus x 2 to 3 plus dot 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 9 into minus 1 e to the power 10 minus x 9 to 10. Here it is. Now after that, so अभी क्या करेंगे? What to do? अभी वैल्यू डालेंगे. वैल्यू मतलब अपर वैल्यू माइनस लोअर वैल्यू. तो चलते डालते यहाँ करते इसको. हाँ, इसको यहाँ करते हैं, इसको हटा देते हैं. So now first put 2. If you put 2 here, e to the power 0 is 1. So that is minus e to the power 0 is 1. Put x is equal to 1. So 1 minus e. Here it is. Minus 2 e to the power 3. E to the power 0. 1 minus 2 minus e. Okay. Next. Moving to next. Plus dot 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 dot. Plus minus right here minus 9 into e to the power 10 e to the power 1 minus e. Okay. Next, moving to next, इसको हटा देते हैं. अभी क्या करेंगे? 1 minus e is taken out, minus of 1 minus e. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 नहीं है पर यहाँ 3 है, dot 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 plus 9. Here it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 9. After that, what should I do? So this is series formula. Series means 1 plus 2 plus 3. You know, you have done in class 11. N into n plus 1 by 2. So minus of 1 minus e. 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2. So what will be the answer? 10, 90. 90 into thus 90, 45. Okay, 545 into e minus 1. So here is the answer. So answer B is the correct answer. Okay. So क्वेश्चन देखने में डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है, किंतु थोड़ा सा अगर कंसेप्ट अगर आपको पता रहेगा तो ये क्वेश्चन भी कर सकेंगे. सो पूरा इजी तरीका से मैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप बताया ताकि आप लोग को दिक्कत ना हो. सो इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस क्वेश्चन, सो यू टाइप फर्स्ट subscribe my channel, share to your friends, and watch the videos. If you have any doubt regarding this concept, you type. Okay, I will send you another video. Okay, so that's all the best.